In the heart of Cambodia, rice farming begins as it has for centuries, with the land prepared by human hands, patient cows, and timeless wisdom.
The earth is turned carefully, allowing water and air to awaken the soil for new life.
The soul of rice is guided into the fields, transforming dry land into fertile paddies.
And the land is leveled by hand, ensuring every grain will grow evenly under the sun.
Passed down through generations are chosen with care, carrying the memory of past harvests.
The seeds are soaked, awakening them from their long sleep. Tiny green shoots rise, promising a season of growth and hope.
Creative music, community and cooperation guide the work as families prepare for planting.
Each seedling is planted by hand, a sacred bond between farmer and land. Fingers sink into the earth, guiding life into the water's mirror, one green shoot at a time. In the hush of the paddies, the rhythm of work and water.
Under the blessing of rain and sun, the rice fields flourish.
As the season matures, the fields glow like gold across the land. Of normalized orchards. And every stalk is cut with gratitude and respect.
The harvest is shared, carried home by strong hands and joyful hearts.
The grains are freed from the stalk. A rhythm as old as time.
Sunlight dries the grains, preserving them for the months ahead. Wind and skill work together to purify the harvest.
Through patient labor, the grain becomes rice ready for the table. It works over and the most in part of the Siem unit of milding rice mill.
The rice is stored safely, a treasure that sustains the family.
From soil to soul, Cambodian rice completes its journey, feeding families, preserving culture, and honoring the land.